Darren Sammy spoke out and he wanted you to listen. "I thought you were my brothers," he said to his former IPL teammates after learning that the name that he had been given by his teammates didn't mean something uplifting like stallion as he was told that it did. It was a racist term, and I'm going to use that word so you can make that change. His teammates called him Kalu, as is evident from Ishant Sharma's Instagram post from 2014 that is still on his account. So now, even as this proud former West Indian T20 World Cup winning captain sat in that video and said he never doubted his teammates because there was always laughter in the dressing room every time he was called Kalu, some Indians found it necessary to remind him that he himself had used that word to refer to himself in a tweet to VVS Lakshman many years back. "Oh, remember Dark Kalu," says Sammy in the tweet while signing off. But like he explained in his video, he was told Kalu meant stallion, so he was calling himself Dark Stallion. He had reached a point where he himself was using that term for himself because he trusted his teammates so much. But the very fact that he is having to explain what he meant, but none of the cricketers who called him that have spoken out publicly to explain what they meant, is something that should have us all introspecting. But instead, there are some more tweets defending the use of that word. These are words used for fun, nickname used by family and friends. My mum calls me Kalu. It's very common in India. And also this one, Kalu is not always a racist slur. It's also an endearing term used in Indian families. Yes, it could be racist, not always. Darren Sammy's reply to this is the eye-opener we all needed. So if there can be a racist slur to it, then I don't think it should be used. And if that doesn't make it clear enough, in a recent ESPN Cricinfo interview, Sammy said something heartbreaking when asked why players were told to take stuff like this in their stride, accept it as banter. He said, and I quote, "Why must my people endure 400 years of slavery and still have to adapt? Why is it that always people of color have to adapt to oppression? Why can't the other side change and see us differently?" Your one word that you have normalized is a term that generations have fought against. Even in India, not just color, someone's caste, religion, physical attributes have so long been used to refer to them. You've done it, I've done it. As kids, we've all seen everyone do it. But if a man is standing in front of us and telling us that it hurt him, that it's not okay, then why can't we change? "My mother calls me Kalu out of love," someone had said. Well, maybe it's time to change that. Maybe ask your mother not to call you that. Maybe ask your mother to call you by your given name. Don't tell Darren Sammy it's okay because your mother calls you Kalu. Tell your mother not to use that word on you because it hurt a man and it will hurt many, many others. And for Indian cricketers who continue to remain silent, and for former Test cricketer Yajurvendra Singh, who's in fact even a representative of the Indian Cricketers Association, to have written something like this, and I quote, "Giving names to a cricket colleague is an acceptable practice, and taking offense and asking for an apology is quite ridiculous." Sammy has played enough cricket over the years in India to realize that such banter should stay in the confines of the dressing room rather than making it a public spectacle. No sir, the spectacle is you writing these words. The spectacle is you asking someone to accept something that is not right. Let's set a better example. Wouldn't it be great to see Virat Kohli reach out to Darren Sammy and just apologize as a captain of the Indian cricket team, and just say sorry for what happened to him? He wasn't part of the dressing room at the Sunrisers Hyderabad, but as the face of Indian cricket, the captain of the Indian cricket team, he can apologize on behalf of us all. Wouldn't it be great to see Sourav Ganguly, the president of BCCI, possibly tweet or reach out to Darren Sammy and just say he'll try to make sure this doesn't happen to anyone else, to none of the younger players coming up? Wouldn't that be great? Because then that would truly make us the leaders in world cricket. And remember, the next time you want to comment on a video of mine, I'm not that Chinese girl, because of course I'm not Chinese, I'm not Chini, I'm not Chinky, I'm Mendra Dorji at the Quint. Use my name.